everyone, today we're making solar Stardust hoop set earrings. Let's get started. First, I am going to be featuring this beautiful rose gold filled beading wire hoop. You can use this style, you can use it in gold, silver, whatever you like. I've already created a simple pattern. I'm going to be adding the 3 Stardust beads on first. They're going to be on one side of my hoop. Then I'm going to use another silver bead. This one's a little bit more matte. It gives it a different dimension, so that way they're not all the same. Now I'm going to be using a silicone bead. This is a bead that's lined with silicone to keep other beads in place. I like the fact that my hoop matches this bead, but you can use whatever options and choices you like. Now for the center focal point of my hoop, I'm going to be featuring this beautiful rose gold filled Stardust bead. It is bigger and gives that extra sparkle to my earring. Now on the other side of my hoop, I'm just going to simply create the same pattern that I've already started on the other side. This is my silicone bead, and as you can see, it's allowing movement for my main center bead to go back and forth, although it's keeping my silver beads in place. I think it's a little fun, extra movement in the earring, but whatever you like, again, these are your pieces. To each his own. So now that I've got my silver beads on, I can go ahead and close this beautiful hoop earring. I'm going to be using a round nose plier. First, I make an L with allotted space to actually complete a loop with it. I slide my L in and now my hoop is locked. Using the same round nose pliers, I simply twist it to the right or left depending on your hand placement. That's going to give you a loop. This loop is what's going to attach to your ear wire. Now, just go ahead and repeat the same thing to make 2 hoops. I'm using a beautiful lever back with a little fun detail on the front. You can use any kind of ear wire you'd like. I like these. It kind of keeps your hoop from coming off and you don't have to worry about losing a bag. This lever back has an open feature on the bottom, so I just simply twist that, add my loop on, and using my pliers, twist it back to close it securely. Now my earring is done, you guys. These are really quick to make, but they last a long time and make a beautiful statement. Thank you so much for watching. We'll hope to see you soon.